Ipovan, Sri Lanka. Pearl of the Indian Ocean and teardrop of India. Sri Lanka has two names that it's also known as. The first is Pearl of the Indian Ocean. This is said to be named after its incredible beauty, varied biodiversity, as well as one of its main exports being precious gemstones. Ipovan, Sri Lanka. Today we are talking about Trincomalee, which is the one of most beautiful place in Sri Lanka. Trincomalee is surrounded by wildlife, hilltops and rock formations. Take about 2 or 3 full days in this town because there are quite some great things to do in Trincomalee. Trincomalee is famous for whale watching, which is also one of the popular things to do in Mirissa in the opposite season. The whale season in Trincomalee runs from March until August. This beautifully colored Hindu temple is located in town and easy to visit. It even might be your lucky day to experience a real ceremony. During your little trip through town towards the temples of Fort Frederick, you might pass lots of dry fish stalls. From Fort Frederick, you can follow the road until the viewpoint area and Hindu temple Koneshwaram. From this area, you can drink a coconut with the view over the whole Trincomalee Bay. Fort Frederick is an old fort built by the Portuguese. These days, it is used by the Sri Lankan military, but it's open for visitors. Trincomalee famous for seafoods. Trincomalee Romanized, also known as Gokarna, is the administrative headquarters of the Trincomalee district and major resort port city of Eastern Province, Sri Lanka. Located on the east coast of the island overlooking the Trincomalee Harbour, 237 kilometers northeast of Colombo, 182 kilometers southeast of Jaffna, and 111 miles north of Batticaloa. Trincomalee has been one of the main centres of Sri Lankan Tamil language speaking culture on the island for over 2 millennia. With a population of 99,135, the city is built on a peninsula of the same name which divided its inner and outer harbours. People from Trincomalee are known as Trincomaleans and the local authority is Trincomalee Urban Council. Trincomalee city is home to the famous Koneshwaram temple, from where it developed and earned its historic Tamil name Tirukunamalai. The town is home to other historic monuments such as the Bhadrakali Amman Temple Trincomalee, the Trincomalee Hindu Cultural Hall, and opened in 1897 the Trincomalee Hindu College. Trincomalee is also the site of the Trincomalee railway station and an ancient ferry service to Jaffna and the south side of the harbour at Marwar. Stay tuned with the Malaysia Mix to learn more about these beautiful Sri Lankan places. Subscribe to watch videos like this and click on the bell icon.